In this video, I'm going to teach you how to rename a Microsoft Loop workspace. So in order to do that, you first need to head over to their website, which is loop.cloud.microsoft. From in there, you should be able to see in here this part. So for this case, just proceed to click onto this Get Started option in order to create an account. However, if you already have a Microsoft account or an Office account, you can proceed to use that. That is because all Microsoft accounts across different applications are interconnected to each other, so you can use those as well. Head over and click on the sign in. Once you have done that, you should be able to see right here your actual Microsoft Loop. I want to rename a workspace. This is only a page. This is only a page, but this one is my workspace. So I want to rename it. How can I do that? First, head over and click onto the loop right here in order to open and see all your workspaces. My workspace is named Tutorial. So in order to rename it, click onto these three dots, then click onto this rename and style. Let's choose right here the title. Let's input right here daily how to tutorials. Then you can change right here the cover. Click onto this right here and choose what you want to use. I'll choose right here this one and click on update. After that, click on this update option and then this will apply the changes onto your workspace. So as you can see, it may take some seconds, but in here, our actual workspace has been successfully renamed. You can proceed to use that as usual right here. So you can open it and you can see right here that our actual workspace has been renamed as well, as you have noticed. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video successfully helped you out with everything you need. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.